Hello बच्चों, let's continue our journey of Maths chapter 10 Subtraction Safari. Okay, so today we are going to learn about subtraction using borrowing. Okay, so let's start with this one. Here we have to subtract 9 from 31. Okay, so what is borrowing? We were discussing that. Okay, so whenever we have to subtract a number which is bigger than the number in the ones place, okay, then we use borrowing. Okay, so let's start with this example. Okay, to understand it. So first check the digit at the ones place of both the numbers, right? That is 1 and 9. As 1 is less than 9, we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. Okay, what is at our tens place? That is 3. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to borrow 1 from here to here. Okay, then we are going to draw the numbers parallelly in the boxes of tens and ones also, right? So here we have 1 at ones place, 3 at 3 tens place. Okay, correct. We have the 3 standing bars at tens place and 1 standing bar at the ones place. Okay, so after borrowing 1 from the tens place, we are left with 2 at the tens place. These are two standing bars, right? So we are going to write 2 in the tens place box and cut this number 3 here. Okay. Now moving to ones place. What happens? By borrowing 1 from the tens place, that 1 becomes 10 in the ones place. So we are going to add 10 standing bars in the ones place, right? Let's check if they are 10 or not. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Yes, they are 10. Now, by adding 10 to 1, we get 11, right? Yes, so we are going to write 11 here in place of 1 now. Okay? Correct? Yes. So this made our calculation very easy now. Now we have to subtract 9 from 11. Can you do that? Right. We can easily do that now. So here we have the 11 bars. Now on subtracting ones digit from the ones digit, that is 11 minus 9, we get 2. How? Let's count the 9 bars that we have struck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? And we are left with 2 bars. So we have written it as 2 here. And how many bars we were left with at the tens place? That were 2, right? So on subtracting 0 from 2, as there is nothing here, we are going to consider that 0, right? So that is 2 minus 0 gives us 2. So we can say now that 31 minus 9 is equals to 22, right? Yes, well done. Now let me see if you can find the difference between 42 and 4. Okay, so what's the first step we are going to follow? We have to check the ones place, right? We can say the digit at ones place in the first number is less than the second number, that is 4, right? Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to first draw the number of standing bars for the first number here in the tens and ones place. Okay, so we have 4 bars in the tens place and 2 bars in the ones place. Now we know that 2 is less than 4, so we are going to borrow 1 from tens place, right? We have to borrow 1 from tens place, so it will become 10 here, right? And the ones borrowed from tens place will become 10 here. Okay, so we will have 12 bars in total round. Okay, so we will write 12 in place of 2, and how many bars we will be left with here? Correct, 3 bars in the tens place. So we will cut the number 4 and write 3 here. Correct. Now On subtracting 12 minus 4, we get how many bars? Let's count. If we subtract 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have subtracted these 4 bars. Now let's count the remaining number of bars. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? So we are going to left with 8 standing bars in the ones place. And how many bars do we need to cut in the tens place? 0. Right? So we can say 3 minus 0 gives us 3 only. Right? So we are going to write 3 here. That is 38. So we can say the difference between 42 minus 4 is 38, right? Yes. So, well done students. Now, we are going to meet in our next session. Till then, keep practicing the number of questions and have fun while you learn.